We have all lied at some point in our lives, even if it is one of those little white lies you told your mother. The thing is, lying is never acceptable unless and until you replace lying with being straightforward. You'll never have a caring mindset. People don't necessarily lie because they want to harm someone. It is usually because they want to avoid dealing with a difficult situation. It is not always easy to be straightforward, but the more you do it, the more liberating it feels. How can you tell someone is not being straightforward? When I booked a family vacation at a 5-star resort, I was assured I would get the rooms I wanted, ones with spectacular views. I even reconfirmed shortly before we arrived and was assured my rooms would be available. Except they were not. We were told our rooms were not accessible due to a plumbing problem on that floor. With profuse apologies, we were given different rooms. Something about what we had been told did not feel right. When someone lies to you, you can sense it, you can feel it. I had a nagging feeling that the story I had just been told was, simply put, a lie. Because I make my living solving problems, I decided to do some snooping. I asked several guests on the floor we were supposed to stay on if they had experienced any issues with the plumbing. And you guys did right. No problems. I was furious when I confronted the manager. He tried to commit over by waiving the cost of the rooms. Clearly, he did not get it. It was not about the money. It was about the indifferent mindset of the hotel and its employees. My assumption is that they had overbooked or other guests staying at the hotel had extended their stay. I never did find out what is the true reason is. And you know what? It does not even matter. Had the hotel staff been straightforward with me, I would have still been annoyed, but I would have felt that they cared enough to tell me the truth and apologize for their mistake. What happened the last time you were not being straightforward with a client or a team member?